This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your profile and tapping the three-line menu, then choose Settings and Privacy. This central hub controls access and visibility. Make sure you're logged into the correct account because changes apply immediately. Once done, locate Account and Security to enable two-step verification. This prevents unauthorized changes and makes later privacy toggles safer. Do this early to protect your profile, while you adjust who can interact with your content and see your information. Now go to Privacy to change the core controls. Switch to a private account to approve all followers, which blocks unknown viewers. Next, restrict interactions by selecting who can comment, duet, stitch, and send direct messages. Choose friends or no one when you want stricter limits. Also visit Personalization and Data to turn off ad personalization and limit data collection. This reduces targeted ads and prevents TikTok from tying activity across accounts. Make each choice. Finish by auditing followers and blocked accounts. Remove anyone you don't trust and block repeat offenders. Then scan your profile for older videos containing sensitive data, either delete them or set visibility to friends or private. Once complete, confirm changes by logging out and back in to verify settings persist. If a toggle won't save, make sure the app is updated, clear the cache, or reinstall. This usually resolves sync issues. If not, reapply settings after relogin to ensure your privacy choices take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.